In this video, you'll learn how to import your Phatom private key into your Phatom wallet. This process will allow you to access your assets securely within the Phatom interface. Begin by opening the Phatom wallet application on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the process. Once the application is open, locate the gear icon labeled Settings in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to access the Settings menu. After entering the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Manage Accounts. This section allows you to control your wallet accounts. Click on Manage Accounts to proceed. Next, you will see a button that says Add Connect Wallet. Click on this option to begin the process of adding your Phatom wallet. In the following menu, you will see several options for connecting wallets. Select the option that says Import Private Key. This allows you to enter your private key directly. Now, paste your Phatom wallet private key into the provided field. Ensure that you have copied the key accurately, as any mistakes can prevent successful import. After pasting your private key, you look for the button labeled Import. Click on this button to finalize the import process. You may need to wait a moment for the wallet to process the key and confirm the import. It is important to note that importing a private key grants access to your assets, so ensure that your private key is kept secure and confidential. Once the import is complete, you should see your assets reflected in the Phatom wallet interface. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.